Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through that how to remove thread badge on Instagram profile. So what you need to do first is go to your Instagram that you connected to your thread app. So what you need to do is click on this thread app badge icon. After that you can see there is two options, view thread profile and hide badge. So what you need to do is click on hide badge. So I'm going to click it. Then you can see here is an option to remove badge. Then you have to click on it. So that is pretty much it, that you can see your tag is hidden from your profile. So this is how you remove thread badge on your Instagram profile. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.